What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this Luna Classic market update. I might call it a crash update because the crypto market has been crashing quite a bit. Luna Classic has also been dropping down, but Luna Classic, in all honesty, is not crashing. All right, but still there's a crypto crash, so I might just call it something like that. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing in this video. I wanted to take like a very in-depth look at the technicals behind Luna Classic. But apart from that, I also wanted to obviously talk a little bit about the news. To my knowledge, there's no new news coming out about Luna Classic, or no new news has come out about it. Tomorrow, obviously, the burn tax will get implemented and we'll get some numbers on how that is actually working. Depending on those numbers, I think we're going to either be bullish or bearish, but to be honest, because of the great community behind Luna Classic and just the event that the burn tax is going to get implemented, I think that's already fairly bullish. All right, so regardless of how much Luna Classic we're going to burn through or not, I think that's still going to be perceived as bullish, and I think that's also one of the main reasons why Luna Classic is actually holding out and is not lower than we were the 15th of September, and other cryptos are dropping down. I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum are dropping down significantly. Luna Classic isn't. Luna Classic, in all fairness, is actually holding. So yeah, I mean, volume is still the same, which is great because it's still relatively high. I expect tomorrow that it's going to be rising. Let me take a quick peek at Reddit if anything is going on. No real new news, which I should have checked before this video, so sorry for that. But now let's get into the analysis. What we said yesterday is yesterday was pretty bearish because you could see that we have these higher lows and these lower highs, and they're coming together, right? You can see a very small triangle right here, and I just felt like that 200 EMA, that's a very strong resistance level. Apart from that, the market circumstances weren't great too, so the analysis I did yesterday, and if you don't believe me, you can just look that up. I did this, which is pretty accurate until now. All right, we're now in this move. We just had this move, and I still feel like we're going to drop down. All right, you can clearly see, I mean, my price target as a support was this level right here around 25,000, which is a very strong support level. So I don't think we're going to break through that. Actually, I think we're going to hold that. Even in these very bearish market circumstances, I think we're going to hold that. But before that, I do think, I mean, this is just very bearish, right? You can clearly see that on the very short term, this is a downtrend. And then you have to argue from where are we going to find support? At 27,000, or are we going to get this drop back down to 25,000? I think we're going to drop down a little bit more to 25,000, but the more important thing to talk about is obviously what the burn tax is going to do. I expect, as I said, and I could be 100% wrong about that. I mean, you always have to analyze that for yourself too. I expect that the burn tax is going to cause a new influx of capital into Luna Classic, and that we could actually see some bullish moves. So what do we have to do then? All right, let's assume we drop down to 25,000. Tomorrow starts, the burn tax gets successfully implemented, we hope. We'll probably have some sort of a rally up to 30,000, but what do we really need to get a bull run? All right, well, in my opinion, it's this level. This level between 32 and 30,000 is our main resistance level. And we're probably going to struggle with that level at first, but if we can break through that level, break through 32,000, I think we could have I think we're going all the way up to 35,000, but we could also just extend that all the way up to 40,000, which would be an amazing gain. I will be back tomorrow with another update, seeing what's going on, but that is the main thing you need to do with the rally, assuming we're getting a rally tomorrow, because if we're not getting a rally tomorrow, it's then it's not looking great. If we don't get a rally tomorrow and there's no influx in new capital, so the volume doesn't go up to 1 billion right here, we're probably going to stay at these levels, to be honest. So we really need that increased volume, and we need some bullish momentum, right? I think we can get that, but I could be wrong about that, right? That's the thing. But the most important thing is breaking above 32,000. That's our main resistance level right now. Can we close above that? Then we can have a real bull run. If we don't manage to close above that within the next 24 hours after the burn tax, we're probably not going to break above it at all. So those are some remarks I wanted to make, but that's my update on Luna Classic for now. So if you do have any questions about it, or if you want to discuss that, I'm always open for discussion. I think that's a great thing. to kind of discuss and exchange some ideas. But for now, that's my analysis on Luna Classic. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. I want to wish you all a great day, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care and bye.